Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukowe. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I apply my press-on nails. And you know what? I never get to do this press-on nails because half for it is too cheap. It's gonna pop out any soon. It's not gonna last. Blah blah blah. But trust me, guys, that is not true. That is not true. So what I do first is I use my nails buffer to buff off my nails, then go ahead with my nail remover with some cutting pads to clean my nails, then apply my press-on nails. I went to Primark and I saw these press-on nails, metallic golden curl press-on nails from £2 down to 50p. How amazing is that? The price is so cheap, and I was like, let me pick this up and try it and see how it goes. And I'm really loving it. I'm rocking the nails like no tomorrow. So anyways, you guys, do not let me bore you with talk cha 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 cha. So the video is very self-explanatory. Just watch what I do step by step and you will catch up. So you guys, that is it. The nails are already looking popping, classic, elegant, and beautiful. I so much love these nails, you guys, and I think it's worth the original price, which is £2, and getting it for 50p. That is so amazing. So I love the nails, and I'm gonna rock it very well. So you guys, if you love this kind of video, do let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And yeah, let me know what you think about this video, and what video would you like to see from me next. Leave me a comment. Let's get interactive in the comment section. And also, please remember to turn on the notification bells, just so whenever I upload new video, you will be the first person to know. And yeah, check the description bar below for the links to my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you lovelies in my next video. Stay beautifully blessed.